I put the 500 tip on the app just because I was easy to impress. Ate, hindi ka inimpress. Ewan ko sa'yo, sobrang delulu mo. I don't know what prompted him to ask that. Maybe just a simple customer service? I keep glancing on his handsome side profile and feel ko nahuli niya ako kasi nakita ko siya tumitingin din sa rear view mirror kahit na nasa stoplight na kami. Eme! He just kept holding on the steering wheel with just one hand. That simple pangangamusta did something for sure. Car finally pulled over and we thanked each other for the ride. I felt generous so I put a 500 tip. Wow. Never pa ako nag 500 tip on the app ha. Kahit nag-grab food, kahit umuulan, kahit na he went out of the way. May mga ganun ako mga pinapabili na, sir, wala dito sa pinin point niya, doon na lang. Parang 100 lang siguro.